Secrets Moxche room, 2718. And this is king side preferred. That's the bathroom. 2 sinks. And you got your toilet area. Nice mirror. Dressing up. And you got your shower. Nice shower. Hear that, Gordy? Lots of mirrors, lots of mirrors. And you have your closet and your secret box for your food. Okay, come on.
Screen show. I have some ice.
Come on, you can bring it in.
Ice is the green show.
And this is another closet. Sitting area.
I will show you your stay. Nice to meet you. My name is Jorge. I will show you your vacation.
What's your name again?
Jorge.
Jorge.
Yeah.
Okay.
Enjoy your vacation.
All right, thank you. King size bed. There's Mr. Crenshaw. Oh, finger in the way. He's already got started. This is an all-inclusive Secrets Moxche in Playa del Carmen. Another mirror. I like that they have a lot of mirrors in here, you know. You can have to share a mirror. This is the balcony. That side over there is Secrets Impressions, a little bit bigger. But this is Secrets. Oh, my phone will fall down there. That's the ocean. Have several pools. That's the front. And that's a pool, kind of like, it's actually a pool slash, they made it look like a beach. But this is a really, really, really nice resort.